To all, today's point of discussion is pinnacle formation. Remember, carbonyl compounds when treated with magnesium in benzene, sometimes magnesium amalgam can also be used. So when treated with, carbonyl compounds when treated with magnesium in benzene, then first of all an intermediate product is obtained, which upon acidic hydrolysis give pinnacle. Now take a look. When ketones, remember ketones can be represented as RCOR. So ketone can be given as, when treated with magnesium metal in a benzene, then first of all addition takes place, and addition of this magnesium can be given as, so this is the addition product so obtained. Now this addition product is needed to be hydrolyzed by using dilute acid like HCl to give our product what we call a pinnacle. So this is a pinnacle along with MgCl2. So primarily MgOH/2 is obtained, which subsequently get neutralized by HCl. Thus net byproduct is MgCl2. Now this is the pinnacle formation, and this product so obtained is called as pinnacle. Now the mechanism of this reaction can be explained conveniently. So first big thing is what happens. So ketone which may be given as, so remember this is the representation of ketone. We know very well the carbonyl group is polar one. So oxygen being more electronegative tend to attract electron pair towards itself, and that lead to the dipolar structure which can be given as. Now very crucial thing is, we know very well magnesium is alkaline earth metal, thus magnesium form dipositive cation by losing electrons. Now remember, out of 2 electrons, 1 electron to this carbon and 1 electron to this carbon get donated. Who is donating? Magnesium. So that lead to the formation of a species which can be given as. Now remember, in this case what is happening? This carbon contain odd electron and oxygen bear negative charge as well. Therefore it is known as radical anion. Now what happens with radical anion? So under influence of Mg2+, these 2 carbon share electron and new bond in between these 2 carbon get formed, and as a result of which an intermediate so obtained which may be given as. Now this intermediate is to be hydrolyzed by dilute acid. So when intermediate is hydrolyzed by dilute acid, then this lead to the formation of pinnacle along with MgOH/2. Now this MgOH/2 further get neutralized by added acid, hence that lead to the formation of MgCl2 as a byproduct. Thus in this way carbonyl compounds undergo reaction with magnesium in benzene followed by hydrolysis to give pinnacle. Thank you very much.